You know, at that time I was playing piano since 8 months and I was like, I also want to play that. And that moment changed everything. I'm Costantino Carrara and this is my Pop Piano Masterclass. For years, I've held onto my process, believing that keeping it to myself was the only way to stay original. That if I shared my technique, I would lose what made me, me. But then I realized that today I wouldn't be here if 15 years ago, 15, somebody hadn't uploaded a video about how to play Viva la Vida on YouTube. This is not gonna be a traditional piano course. I'm not here to teach you how to read notes or play scales. I want to teach you how to take a song and give it your own signature. In this course, you will learn how to play songs by ear, the basics of arranging, a variety of piano techniques, reharmonization, and much more. Some of what I'll teach you might not be the right way to do it. Can I be honest? I never did that. But that's the way I learned and it worked for me. When I started playing by ear, I wasn't following a method. I didn't really want to sound like anyone else because I just didn't know who to sound like. Through the years, I've turned playing into an intimate conversation with the instrument, shaping my music one note at a time. And this course is an invitation to join that conversation.